Did you know that home renovations can be accomplished for less than half of what you might expect? You can transform your home without straining your finances by applying budget-friendly strategies. Let's explore how to achieve your dream space affordably. Many homeowners struggle with renovation costs, often feeling overwhelmed by the financial burden. The materials, labor, and unforeseen expenses add up quickly, making renovations seem unattainable. This often leads to postponing or scaling back renovation plans, leaving homeowners frustrated. However, with careful planning and smart choices, budget-friendly renovations are possible. Key strategies for affordable renovation. Prioritize your projects. One of the most effective ways to save money is to focus on renovations that provide the most value. Identify the areas in your home that need the most attention and tackle those first. High-impact projects like kitchen and bathroom updates or fresh paint can significantly enhance your home's appeal without excessive costs. Sourcing affordable materials. Consider cost-effective alternatives to expensive materials. Shopping during sales, visiting discount warehouses, or even purchasing reclaimed materials can lead to substantial savings. Repurposing existing items or refinishing furniture instead of buying new pieces also helps keep costs down. DIY. Where possible, taking on small projects yourself can save a significant amount on labor costs. Simple tasks like painting, installing new hardware, or tiling can be manageable with some research and effort. However, for more complex renovations involving electrical or plumbing work, hiring a professional is the safer choice. Get multiple quotes. If hiring a contractor, obtain multiple quotes to ensure you're getting the best deal. Research their reputation and negotiate prices where possible. Sometimes, smaller or less well-known companies can offer competitive rates while maintaining quality work. Reuse and repurpose. Instead of replacing everything, assess what can be refurbished. Cabinets can be repainted rather than replaced, and existing fixtures can be cleaned or updated instead of purchasing new ones. This not only reduces costs, but also minimizes waste. Plan and budget wisely. Creating a clear budget and sticking to it prevents unnecessary spending. Include a buffer for unexpected expenses and prioritize necessary updates over purely aesthetic changes. Planning also allows you to wait for discounts and sales on materials and appliances. Shop smart. Utilize online marketplaces, local thrift stores, and home improvement store discounts to find affordable renovation supplies. Many high-quality second-hand items can be purchased at a fraction of the original price. Real-life success story. Many homeowners have successfully renovated on a budget by using these strategies. They have turned outdated spaces into stunning, functional homes by being resourceful. Learning from others' experiences can offer inspiration and practical tips for your own renovation projects. The power of smart planning. A turning point comes when homeowners realize that careful planning and smart decisions can make renovations affordable. Breaking projects into manageable phases, prioritizing essential changes, and being flexible with materials can lead to significant savings. Seeing tangible progress reinforces confidence in making strategic choices. Seeking professional advice. While DIY methods can save money, consulting professionals can also be beneficial. Interior designers, contractors, and experienced renovators can provide valuable guidance on maximizing impact while minimizing expenses. A quick consultation can help avoid costly mistakes and streamline your project. Final thoughts. Affordable renovations are achievable with the right approach. You can transform your home without financial stress by prioritizing projects, sourcing budget-friendly materials, leveraging DIY techniques, and planning strategically. With persistence and creativity, you'll create a beautiful, functional space that reflects your style and meets your needs. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home renovation insights. Also, share your own budget-friendly renovation tips in the comments below.